Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook Marketplace post shareable. So the first thing you will need to do is to go to your Facebook account, click on your profile, and then click on Marketplace. And then if you've got active listings, you can basically choose one of them. So basically the one that you want to be shareable. So click on it, and then you will need to click on More. So once you click on more, you will have a lot of options. You will need to choose the last one, which is share this item, and then click on share to news feed. Once you click on share to news feed, from here you can basically choose who you want this to be shared with. So if you want to share it with your friends, you can click on friends. If you want it to be public, you can choose that as well. And you also do have the option to share it with specific people. So you can do that. So if you want to share it with your friends, click on friends, and by doing that your post is going to be shared on your news feed, and from there your friends will have the option to share it basically with whoever they want to. So that's it, basically super easy and simple.